Okay, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick, stockmarketmentor.com, and we're going to do a follow-up here on Meta. Now, this has been a good trade for us, and I've talked about this on our strategy sessions, of course, and fairly frequently here on the Fitz and 5, the free complimentary stuff here. Hopefully you'll become a member. But whatever. Anyway, so my sense is that this is a good time to be taking some profits. We got in on the low entry here at 303.84, disciplined entry on my squeeze tactics. But now the stock just today looks like it's kind of reversing a little bit. Not a big deal at all. It did open up just very, very slightly, traded up to a new intraday high, as this has been doing for the last week or so. Higher intraday high here, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. Intraday lows still certainly working, and this is actually at or right above the upper Bollinger Band, so don't get the wrong idea. There's really nothing wrong with this stock. The reason that I'm suggesting that you take some profits is because it's been a good trade. What I would not be doing, though, is I just wouldn't be buying anymore right now. So let's see what the chart looks like without all my scribbling. So you can see this is in a really, really nice volatility squeeze here and a nice breakout along the 50-day moving average. On a weekly chart, I look at this, and this is a nice, healthy consolidation here. But I'm not looking at this saying, gosh, I'm sure the stock's going to break out and just keep running here. I've seen that before, but not too many times. For the most part, when a stock's in this situation, you'll kind of tend to see some backing and filling a little bit. So that's what I'm looking at this on. I think that the stock is ultimately going to move higher, but for now, like for right here, right now, I would not be buying the stock. I have taken significant profits on this stock actually just today, and I'm giving you the analysis why. At some point, you have to look at a trade and say, you know what, I think I'm happy. And that's kind of when you wind up starting to take profits, is when you look at your trading results and you're happy with them. Okay, and then as you get better, you need to redefine what happy means to you. So anyway, that's all I got for you. I hope you all are having a great day in light of all the geopolitical circumstances. When I say great day, I'm talking relative to trading. Other than that, we could all just give thanks that we are blessed, and we all have a lot of blessings. And these days, it just seems to me like current events should really highlight exactly how blessed all of us are. At least that's what I'm thinking.